Okay, hope this is visible. Yes, is it visible? I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me start. So, yesterday we started with this example, the example on the variable separable form, dy by dx plus 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square equal to 0. From there we separated the variable and the constant, arbitrary constant is added as tan inverse c. Okay, since tan inverse y, tan inverse x is there, therefore, and it is simplified. Then we have gone through one more example where we took e raised to minus y common, variables were separated, and then we integrated. Then example number 5 was like this. So from example number 5, you understood that we should know all the formulas very well. Okay. So these two formulas are used. Integration of f dash of y divided by root of f of y divided. That is equal to 2 root of f of y. And integration of root of a square plus x square dx, that is equal to x root of x square plus a square divided by 2 plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So remember all the integration formulas. Hope everyone is writing the notes. Okay, I may ask you to start the video and show your notes, so be ready for that. Okay, and I'm going to ask it to everyone. Maybe not today, but I'll start it from today. Okay, substitution method. So differential equation is dy by dx equal to f of ax plus by. Okay, then substitution is u equal to x plus by. Since x is there in denominator, see here we have x. Therefore, differentiation with respect to x, and then we got dy by dx equal to 1 upon b du by dx minus a. This is substituted in given differential equation, and then we'll get a variable separable form, and then we have to separate the variables and integrate on both sides to get the required answer. If differential equation is in this form, dy by dx equal to f of y by x, then substitution is u equal to y by x. Okay, remaining things are very well known to us. If differential equation is in this form, dx by dy equal to function of x by y, then substitution is u equal to x by y. Then x equal to uy, differentiate with respect to, here we have to differentiate with respect to y, we have dx by dy therefore, and then use the substitution. Okay, then we solve few examples. Here the substitution was u equal to x minus y. Okay, then we got the answer. In next example, the substitution is u equal to xy, whereas in the third example, since we have x by y, substitution is u equal to x by y, and therefore we have to write dx by dy. So first we have written dx by dy from the given differential equation. Then we substituted, and everywhere x is replaced by uy. So we got a differential equation in u and y. Okay, x is eliminated, and then integrated by usual method substitution, and then we got the required answer. Next, we started with the homogeneous differential equation. What is homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be homogeneous differential equation if both m and n are homogeneous, and not only homogeneous, their degrees should be equal, degrees should be same. Next, we have gone through few algebraic equation, and we understood what the homogeneous function is. Then we understood that this is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now we want to understand whenever a differential equation is homogeneous, how to solve it. Okay, start on solution of I'll also write with you. Give me 1 minute. Let me start all these things. Okay, right. Hope you are getting all the notes as well as videos on same day only. I'm trying to post them on your Google Classroom on same day. Please go through them whenever it is required. Okay, and understand the procedure. We have very less time, so start studying from first day only. Don't waste time. Okay, so right, solving homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so substitute u equal to y by x. Therefore, y equal to ux. Then right, differentiating with respect to x. Product rule is used. Use substitutions in given differential equation, and it will be reduced to variable separable form. Right, use substitutions in given differential equation and then it will be reduced to variable separable form. Okay, right, note for few differential equations, substitution is u equal to x by y. And then how we have to differentiate? Differentiate with respect to y here. Okay, mention in bracket, differentiate with respect to y. Mention in bracket, differentiate with respect to y. Example, now solve following differential equations. Solve following differential equations. Those who are coming late, be in time. Try to be in time. Till many people are not there, only 77 people. What about others? Okay. 1 xy minus x square dy by dx equal to y square. So write dy by dx from here. Right here, so sign will not make any problem, whether it is plus or minus doesn't matter. Okay, so m and n are like this. So what is degree? M is homogeneous and degree equal to 2. Y square is there, na? Then what about the n? N is homogeneous and degree is, what is degree? Degree of xy is 2, degree of x square is 2. So what is conclusion? Differential equation is homogeneous. This is the conclusion. So decide the substitution done. Substitute u equal to y by x. Right? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate dy by dx equal to u as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus x as it is derivative of u du by dx. Okay. Written up to this step. Then write. Let me change the page.
Sir, 1 minute.
Right.
सर
इथे
आपल्याला तर डायरेक्ट कळत होतं ना की LHS आणि RHS ची डिग्री 2 आहे.
हो.
तर मग आपण एवढं का सॉल्व्ह केलं? म्हणजे आपण तेव्हाच डिक्लेअर करू शकलो असतो ना की तो होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन आहे.
Since this is first example, and so that everyone should understand, I have written it. But if you understood it and if you want to write it directly, so say you want to start with this step, differential equation is homogeneous, this step, right? Na? So that is also okay, no problem. You can start from there also.
ठीक आहे सर.
Okay, now write down. Next. Right, dy by dx equal to, we have differential equation like this, dy by dx equal to y square divided by xy minus x square. Okay, so degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is 2, and since substitution is y by x, right now every term is required in y by x form. So see what I am doing, I am dividing numerator and denominator by x square. Dividing, this is for simplification, dividing numerator and denominator by x square. Why x square? Since y by x is there in denominator, so we have to divide by x, but degree is 2, therefore x square. So dy by dx equal to y square divided by x square, this is in numerator, divided by x by y divided by x square, x will cancel, we get y by x, and x square divided by x square will be 1. Now use the substitution that were written on the previous page. Right? Using substitutions. U plus x du by dx equal to u square divided by u minus 1. Right na? Y by x is u na? So u square in numerator divided by y by x is u minus 1. So cross multiply. Separate the variables. Integrate. I have simplified u minus 1 divided by u. I divided every term by u. And then add a constant. We don't decide at this moment, to wait for some time. Integration of du u. Now you can decide, you can consider log c or c. No any problem. You can write log terms together, you can simplify it or keep as it is, no problem. Hope this is clear. Hope Aaron is writing the notes.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. You have to start your video. I'll tell you to whom the video is to be started. Okay.
Sir,
And
sir, if in case the given question is not in homogeneous equation, so what will we do in that case?
no. Whenever differential equation, see, first we have to check whether it is in a variable separable form, right? Now, if it is not in a variable separable form, we have to check whether any substitution is there, so that we can solve the differential equation by substitution. Then we have to see whether it is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, then we have to solve by homogeneous method. If it is not homogeneous, if it is not in variable separable form, cannot be solved by substitution method, then we have to go to the next method, exact differential equation, linear differential equation. Okay. So once we study all the 9 methods, at the end we'll discuss this in 10 minutes, which method is to be used and how to understand that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
I do understand at this moment you might be facing problem which method is to be used. Okay. So, okay. Let me write the roll numbers also. Division B, roll number 21, Harshal. Harshal ahe? Is Harshal is there? Harshal. Harshal is there. B21, Harshal. Gopal, B49. Gopal ahe, Gopal. I'm audible, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Gopal is there. गोपाल इज ऑल्सो नॉट. तुम्ही सुरू करून काय कुठेतरी जाता काय तुम्ही? मोबाईल सुरू करायचं आणि कुठेतरी निघून जायचं. आर यू डुईंग लाईक दॅट? देन आय विल आस्क यू टू स्टार्ट युअर व्हिडिओज एव्हरी टाइम. कीप युअर व्हिडिओज ऑन. आकाश भुजबळ. आकाश भुजबळ इज देअर.
येस सर.
हा, जरा व्हिडिओ स्टार्ट करशील आणि तुझ्या नोट्स दाखवशील मला. नोटबुक मध्ये जे लिहितोयस ना, दॅट यू टू शो.
सर एक 2 मिनिटं.
हो. आकाश भुजबळ, तुझा रोल नंबर सांग. नेक्स्ट तेजस, तू लिहितोयस?
हो सर.
जरा दाखव, नोट्स दाखव. स्टार्ट युअर व्हिडिओ अँड शो युअर नोट्स. नोट्स दाखव. हा, एक मिनिट. पिन टू स्क्रीन. ओके. त्याच्या पूर्वीचे लिहिलेत काय? व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड. गुड, नो प्रॉब्लेम. ग्रेट. रोहन, तुझा नंबर किती? सॉरी, रोहन नाही. तेजस, तुझा रोल नंबर किती? B32 ना?
B32 सर.
तेजस, चल लिहितो मी इथं. शोन नोट्स. हा प्रत्येकावर नंबर येणार आहे. हा, इन नेक्स्ट 10 days. व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड. रोहन, सॉरी रोहन काय ते सारखं. तेजस, रोहन. येस, रोहनचं सारखं नाव आहे लागले. कुछ तो दाल में काला है. चलो रोहन, show your notes. B31. अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
B31 is there, therefore might be your name might be coming.
सर
घर जरा स्वच्छ ठेव.
क्या सर?
घर जरा स्वच्छ ठेव म्हटलं. इकडे तिकडे काय काय पडले. ठीक आहे, चालेल. दॅट इज नॉट अवर इंटरेस्ट. वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन नोट्स, वेदर यू आर रिटन or
Yes,
not. Okay. Yes, show the notes. अरे कुठे गेला रोहन? वेर आर यू? रोहन
सर,
आणि कोण
टाकलं
होत? नाही दिसलाच नाही, तूच दिसलास फक्त.
दिसतंय सर.
नाही, अजून अजून थोडस जवळ घे. ओके,
Back
हे काय
camera.
दिलेस? हे पहिलं पेज दिसतंय. ठीक आहे,
हा.
नेक्स्ट. सेकंड, नेक्स्ट, गो अहेड. गो अहेड.
सर पुढचं नाहीये.
अरे राजा, 27 पेजेस झाली.
हो सर,
कधी दाखवणार?
लिहितो मी उद्या.
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.
आज लिहून
नेक्स्ट
टाक.
लेक्चर. हो गुड. ठीक आहे. लिहितो मी इथं. रोहन will show all notes on Monday. That is 31/5/21. Okay, no problem. Next. आणि हे कोण राहिले? B21, B49 आणि कोणाला सांगितलेलं पण? काय त्याचं नाव विसरलो मी. Who else is remaining? B21, where is B21? Are you here, B21? B49, 21 and 49. CR तेजस, अरे काय करतायत सगळेजण?
जॉईन केले त्यांनी.
जॉईन केलं कुठे गेले? किती लोक असे करतात? 70%?
माहित नाही.
ए, तुला माहित असते, सबको सब पता रहता है एक्सेप्ट द टीचर्स, है ना? कौन क्या करता है, कैसे करता है, कौन गालियां देता है ना? सब पता रहता है. हम पढ़े हैं ना इंजीनियरिंग में या जहाँ जहाँ पे भी है, ग्रेजुएशन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन हमने भी किया है. आप सिर्फ थोड़े ही कर रहे हैं. We were in the college before 10 years, so we know, है ना? और आप में से ही काफी लोग मेरे कांटेक्ट में रहते हैं. मे बी सीनियर्स, आपके सीनियर, आपके आप में से कोई आपके फ्रेंड, तो उनसे तो सब पता चलता है कौन लिख रहा है, कौन नहीं लिख रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन पीछे क्या बोलता है ना? सो नो डाउट वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट. वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड मैथमेटिक्स. हाँ, आपका जो भी आप इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं उसमें एक्सेल करना है, उसमें हमें इंटरेस्ट है. यानी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, राइट? वो क्या करता है, क्या बोलता है. हर्षल कुठे गेला? हर्षल लोंढे बहुतेक ना? हर्षल लोंढेला कॉल करायला लागते, पप्पांना कॉल करायला लागते. B49, माईकचा काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना? परत म्हणणार माईकचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. माईकचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये लिहायचं. यू हॅव द ऑप्शन्स. ओके, सो ड्यू टू दिस ऑनलाईन एज्युकेशन ना, तुमच्याकडे भरपूर ऑप्शन झाले, आमच्याकडेच काही ऑप्शन नाही राहिलेला. इट इज लाईक दॅट. ओके, नॉट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन दैट. ओके, लेट मी कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो अभी क्या करना है आपको? दोज वे नॉट रिटन द नोट्स प्रोबेबली विल कंप्लीट अप टू 31-32 पेजेस. उसको आप लिख के रखिए. आई विल आस्क इट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑनवर्ड. हर एक क्लास में मैं 4-5 लोगों को आगे से पूछता जाऊंगा. हो सके आपके 10 मिनट वेस्ट हो जाएंगे, हमारे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन आप लिखोगे नहीं, दैट इज नॉट अलाउड. इट actually should have been college now, then you might have understood it, okay, how PCCOR works, but unfortunately you are not in college. Okay, no problem. आप पढ़ोगे नहीं तो कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. moral of story is like this. Okay, चलो छोड़ दो उसको. सॉल्व करते हैं नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. राइट ऑन x. अच्छा,
स्क्रीन सर.
yes, just 1 minute. Page number 28. Write down. X tan of y by x.
दिसत नाही सर.
हा, लिहितो की लिहायच्या आधी कसं दिसत? अच्छा, दिसत नाही. हा बरोबर, हे स्टार्ट नाही केलं. ओके, प्रेझेंटेशन. येस. करेक्ट. थोडंसं टाइम वेस्ट होते हैं, बट ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. हे काय कुठून आलं? येस, एक्स tan of y by x minus y sec square y by x, okay, dx plus x sec square y by x dy equal to 0. Okay, done. Here m equal to x tan of y by x minus y sec square y by x. Okay. Degree of this x is 1. Degree of tan y by x 0. So degree of the first term is 1. Degree of y is 1. Degree of sec square y by x is 0. So degree of second term is 1. So m is homogeneous and degree is 1. And I will go to the n. X sec square y by x. Degree of x is 1. Degree of sec square y by x not 0. Degree of y is 1. Degree of denominator, that is x, is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Therefore degree of this term is 0. So degree is 1. N is homogeneous and degree equal to 1. So it is conclusion. Differential equation is homogeneous. That's it. Differential equation is homogeneous. So write dy by dx from here. You can skip few steps. For understanding, usually I write more steps. Y sec square y by x minus x tan y by x and so on. Okay, substitute. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. तो 1 को मॉडिफाई करते हैं. Divide.
सर ते बघा.
Just a minute. Divide numerator and denominator by x in equation 1. In equation number 1, we have to divide numerator and denominator by x. So dy by dx equal to y by x, right? Sec square y by x minus tan y by x sec square y by x. Okay, now we have to use the substitution. Numerator and denominator, they are divided by x, so y by x, then x will cancel in next term, x in denominator will cancel. Now we have to use the substitution. Okay, go to the next page.
Sir, wait.
Okay, very good.
सर प्रत्येक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शनची डिग्री 0 असते का कंपल्सरीली?
No. If it is homogeneous, then degree will be 0. If it is tan y square by x, say where I should write it, here, say suppose it is tan y square by x, is it homogeneous? No. Degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. This term is homogeneous, but tan y square by x is non-homogeneous, right? Hope you remember the written definition in M1 like this: tan theta, e raised to theta, log theta. They are homogeneous if theta is homogeneous and degree of theta is 0. Okay, na? Degree of theta should be 0. Then only it is homogeneous. And no doubt, in that case, the degree of these terms, tan theta, log theta, exponential term will be 0 only. Get it?
सर म्हणजे टॅनच्या पॉवरचं त्याच्यावरती इफेक्ट नाही होत का? सपोज एन मध्ये सेक्स स्क्वेअर आहे आणि एम मध्ये फक्त टॅन आहे, तर
It
मी
doesn't
ते
matter, na? See, if it is degree 0, 0 square or 0 cube will be 0 only, na? Therefore.
सर ओके सर, थँक्यू.
Okay, next, let me change the page. So now we have to use the substitution, huh? (29). So using substitution in above equation, on left hand side we have dy by dx, that will become u plus x du by dx equal to y by x, that is u, sec square u minus tan u. Right? I am replacing y by x by u divided by sec square u. Simplify this. So x du by dx equal to u sec square u minus tan u divided by sec square u minus u. Simplify. U sec square u minus tan u minus u sec square u divided by sec square u. This will cancel. Okay, so minus tan u separate the variables. Variable separable form. Getting? Now integrate on both sides. And then we have to add constant. We'll decide. Hope you remember this formula. Derivative of denominator is in numerator. What is integration? Log of denominator. So log of tan u. Log of x. So how to add the constant? Log of c. Okay. So I'm taking tan u and x together. So can I write directly? Log will cancel, huh? Or I'll write one more step. But what is the u? Y by x. Hope this is clear. This is all about the homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous we are not taking, not part of the syllabus. Previously it was the part of syllabus, but we don't want to waste time on that. Let me start with the exact differential equation directly. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Let me change the page. चलो मैं पेज चेंज करता हूँ. फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स ना आपको समझना है मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ. हाँ, सो जस्ट राइट द टाइटल, एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ओके, और आप समझिए. See towards board and see towards screen and try to understand. So I have a differential equation like this: 3x square y square dx plus 2x cube y dy equal to 0. It's quite differential equation. Okay, so here I have m equal to 3x square y square, and I have n equal to 2x cube y. Okay, now what my aim is, I want to find a function u. Okay, to find u, right? What the u is? U is a function of xy, such that, okay, whenever it is possible, when it is possible we'll see, such that m dx plus n dy, that will be equal to derivative of this function. And if we are able to find this type of function, then differential equation is known as exact. ऐसे यदि हम फंक्शन फाइंड कर सकते हैं तो उसको एग्जैक्ट बोलेंगे. ठीक है, ये हो गया पहला पार्ट. दूसरा पार्ट, नाउ सपोज एग्जैक्ट है, suppose we are able to find a function u of xy such that m dx plus n dy equal to derivative of the whole function. तो इसका क्या फायदा है? We'll understand it. Okay, so ultimately our aim is to solve this differential equation. हमें ये differential equation solve करना है ना? तो what I want to do, I want to solve this differential equation m dx plus n dy. यानी मुझे इंटीग्रेट करना है, and then I'll constant to other side. Okay, but what I know about this whole differential equation, I have a function u of xy such that the whole m dx plus n dy, the whole differential equation is equal to derivative of that. That is, I can replace using this relation. I can replace m dx plus n d by d of u of xy equal to whatever the constant is. So now see this integral and this d derivative, that will cancel, and I'll get the solution of differential equation u of xy equal to c. समझ में आ रहा है? I am able to solve the differential equation. Okay. Now अभी इसका condition क्या है? When the differential equation is exact, when there exists a function u of xy. So for that we require this del m by del y equal to del n by del x. ऐसे होना चाहिए. From where we got this condition? उसके नोट्स है मेरे पास, मैं उसको पोस्ट करता हूं, आप उसको समझ लीजिए. del m by del y equal to del n by del x. Okay, now see, I'll start with this condition. Okay, understood? For the given differential equation number 1, I'll start with this condition, whether del m by del y equal to del n by del x. If it is so, then I should be able to find the function of u of xy, and then we'll get the required answer. तो मुझे स्टार्ट करने दीजिए, मैं दो पार्ट बनाता हूँ पेज के, so that we'll able to cover everything here. So we have m equal to 3x square y square and n equal to 2x cube y. Okay, so let me find del m by del y, partial derivative with respect to y. तो क्या आएगा? y square का derivative आएगा, 3x square is constant as it is, right? What is derivative of y square? 2y. Okay, so 2 into 3, so 6x square y. Whereas what will be del n by del x? Right, the derivative of x cube, 3x square. So ये आएगा 6x square y. Yes. del m by del y equal to del n by del x. yes इक्वल है. इक्वल है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज एग्जैक्ट. Now once differential equation is exact, we should able to find the function u. So मैं u consider करता हूँ. I know answer in this case, therefore I am writing it directly. So I am saying that u is x cube y square. Check करते हैं, है ना? तो I'll find its partial derivative with respect to x. Tell me what is derivative? 3x square y square. Okay, and I'll find derivative with respect to y. What is that? 2x cube y. और टोटल डेरिवेटिव शायद आपको याद रहेगा, दैट वी स्टडीड इन द m1. ओके, टोटल डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? टोटल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u. आई एम राइटिंग लाइक दिस. टोटल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u, दैट इज del u by del x dx plus del u by del y dy. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल टू del u by del x क्या है? 3x square y square del u by del y है 2x cube y dy. और ये ही डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, राइट? द इक्वेशन नंबर 1 and this differential equation is same. That is, now I am able to write like this, m dx plus n dy equal to d of u. और u हमें पता है, u is known to us, right? This whole differential equation is known to us. Here it is, that is 3x square y square dx plus 2x cube y dy, that is equal to derivative of u x cube y square. इतना समझ में आ गया? Using the total derivative. Okay. Therefore, if I want to solve this differential equation, see now what I have to do. I'll write on the next page. थोड़ा सा confusion नहीं हो रहा है ना? At the end, I'll revise all these things once. हाँ बोलो.
1 minute. वो कॉपी करना है क्या?
नहीं, कॉपी नहीं करना है, कोई जरूरत नहीं उसकी. लिखेंगे हम उसको सेपरेट. ये मैं सिर्फ समझा रहा हूँ. जो लिखना है हमें, I'll tell you when we have to write it. मैं इसको पोस्ट भी करूंगा आज, यदि आपको लिखना ही है तो, लेकिन फिलहाल कोई लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So our aim was to solve this differential equation, right? ना 3x square y square dx plus 2x cube y dy, right? But that is equal to d of u, and what u we have? X cube y square. Okay, so d and this integral will cancel, and we have x cube y square equal to constant. This is the solution of differential equation. समझ में आ गया? चलो इसको थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. ओके, सरल डेफिनेशन. नाउ राइट definition. A differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact if there exists, this is notation for there exists a function u of xy such that m dx plus n dy equal to derivative of u of xy. Then condition of exactness. Exactness is to be written together. By mistake, I have left space. Condition of exactness. A differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact if del m by del y equal to del n by del x. General solution of exact differential equation. General solution of exact differential equation. General solution of exact differential equation is integration of m dx, but m contain x as well as y, na? So what to do about the y? Y is constant. Whenever we are integrating with respect to y, x, we have to consider y as a constant. M dx, y constant, plus, right? Terms in n free from x dy equal to constant. Terms in n free from x dy equal to constant. Or, this is one way, or, right? N dy. Now x will be constant. Interchange m n, interchange xy. Terms in m free from y dx equal to constant. इसमें से एक कोई भी आप ले सकते हैं. Usually we used to take first one, but then there are few examples where we have to consider the formula number 2 also. We'll understand those examples. Written right on next page. You remember all these things, huh? Okay, you go to the next page. On page number 32. Note a differential equation we want to find condition of exactness for this differential. So write m dx form. So what is condition of exactness? Del m by del y. What is derivative with respect to y? Del n by del x. B1 equal to minus A2. Then the differential equation is exact. Okay, put down. Solve following differential equations. Solve following differential equations. Right, dy by dx equal to, we'll start with a simple example. Y plus 1 divided by right m dx plus n dy form. You might have understood that it is not in a variable separable form. Any substitution cannot be used. It is not homogeneous differential equation, and therefore we are trying to solve it by exact differential equations, right? M, right, N del M by del Y del N by del X differential equation 1 is exact. This calculation you might have understood. Actually minus sign is there, but I have taken minus sign inside, and therefore the sign of the terms in denominator they have changed. Hope you understand those calculations. Then our general solution is terms in N free from X equal to constant. Please write that. I don't have space. So M dx y plus 1 dx. What about the y? Constant. Plus terms in N free from X. Take the term with the sign. Please do the integration yourself. Y constant as it is, integration of dx is x plus x minus y e raised to x. What is integration of y e raised to x? Please do that yourself. You have to cross check it. This term you have to cross check. Please do that yourself. You may have to write 1-2 more steps. Please do that. Do that yourself. Let me take the attendance. Only 94 people. What about the remaining?
Sir, y plus 1 x minus e to the power y equals to c.
Can I simplify it?
Yes.
How it will simplify? Y e raised to y will be there. Minus y term will be there. Correct. E raised to y. E raised to y will be common, and that will be y minus 1. This middle term I have marked now, that I have written wrongly. So please do that yourself. Now we don't have time. Please do that yourself. Okay, तुम्ही कराल ते. Today is 28. The attendance given. Neha, just you write A01. Don't keep space between that.
Okay, sir.
आकाश भुजबळ. कोण आहे आकाश भुजबळ? ते नसते जण कशाला उगाच येतो इकडे. अभिजित.
B18 सर.
काय प्रॉब्लेम काय आहे? नाव जरा टाक ना याचं.
नाही, कॉलेज आयडी वरून केलाय सर.
करू नको, स्वतःच तयार कर. ठीक आहे. आकांक्षा.
So A24.
From tomorrow make the small change. Okay.
Yes, sir.
हे नाहीतर हे असं टाइम वेस्ट
B22.
काय आकाश काय?
सुंदरम मगर सर.
आकाश हे थांब ना, नाव आल्यानंतर सांग रे.
A02 सर.
थांब रे. आकाश भुजबळ आहे. नाही. आकाश बांबळ.
A02.
A02. ओके ठीक आहे. अंकुर
P25 सर.
B25. अर्पित
A04 सर.
A04. अथर्व देशमुख. अथर्व देशमुख नाहीये.
सर मी 2 आयडी वरून जॉईन झालोय ऑलरेडी. मी तो जो नंबर वाला आयडी त्याने जॉईन झालेलो आहे, त्यामुळे तो झाला असेल.
ठीक, काय हरकत नाही. नो प्रॉब्लेम. नेक्स्ट आहे चैतन्य जंगले. चैतन्य
सर मी पण दोन याच्यावरून जॉईन झालोय.
ठीक आहे सर. म्हणजे कशासाठी रे?
सर ते एक तुम्ही ते घेतलं नव्हतं ना, म्हणजे अलाउ नव्हतं केलं ना, म्हणून मी कॉलेज ईमेल आयडी ने जॉईन झालेलो.
नाही माझ्याकडे ते काय नाही, मी ते हे केलेलं आहे, ऑटो ऍडमिट केलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे एकदा सुरू झाले की मला काही कळत नाही. हर्ष येवले
सर A52.
मदिया
B54.
मैत्री.
सर मी पर्सनल आयडी वरनच जॉईन आहे. A45.
दोन वेळाला ठीक आहे. मालोजी राजे कुठे आहेत? मालोजी राजे
आहे की B27.
नेहिल.
सर A2.
मालोजी राजे काय मराठ्यांना आरक्षण मिळते की नाही? ऋग्वेद शेळके.
काय आता आपल्याला काय माहिती दिलं तर ठीक आहे.
अरे राजे नावात आहे आणि ऋग्वेद.
आता काय राजेच नसतोय फक्त सर.
ऋग्वेद आहे की नाही? श्रेयस करात.
B19.
D19. सिद्धेश.
A27.
27. हे आता शेवटचा दिवस आहे. उद्यापासून मी अटेंडन्स लावणार नाही ह्या सर्व लोकांची. तुम्ही काय ते अरेंजमेंट करायची ते करा. सौरभ.
A21.
A21. सुधीर जाधव. कारण हे टाइम वेस्ट होते. सुधीर जाधव. सुंदरम सांग. सुंदरम. स्वप्नील.
तर माझं पण 2 आयडी ने जॉईन झालेलं.
स्वप्नील काय?
सर B20.
हो सर.
काय B22
सुंदरम मगर.
B22. वंदना.
A6.
A06. ओके. ऋग्वेद शेळके एक राहिला. आता जे राहिले त्यांचे ऍबसेंट. ओके चलो थैंक यू. और कुछ चाहिए आपको? अरे ते ह्याचं फीडबॅक दे ना. गिव द फीडबॅक ऑफ ते लॅटेक्स सेशन प्लीज गिव द फीडबॅक. टुमारो यू विल हैव अ टेस्ट. ठीक आहे. टेस्ट असेल एक प्री रिक्विजिट टेस्ट.
सर उद्या काय?
प्री रिक्विजिट टेस्ट असेल. मी पाठवतो मेसेज आज तुम्हाला.
सर कशावर?
इंटिग्रेशन डिफरन्सिएशन हे आता जे झाले फॉर्म्युला त्याच्यावर.
ओके ओके.
सर थोडा टाइम द्या त्याला, कारण उद्या आमचं हे वर्कशॉप.
अच्छा वर्कशॉप आहे. ठीक आहे ठीक
हो.
आहे. चालेल ओके ठीक आहे.
थँक्यू सर.
बेसिकच आहे ना ते?
हा बेसिक गोष्ट आहे. बेसिक गोष्ट काही अवघड नाही.
थँक्यू सर.
ओके चलो बाय.